Okay, let's look at this indices question here. We are asked to simplify this expression. Alright, so the first thing that we know is if I've given a square root operation. So for example, if I'm square rooting an expression, that is equivalent to that expression to the power of half. Alright, so the first thing I can do is I can say that this is equals to square root of x and x to the power of 2 over 3 to the raised to the power of half. Alright, so that is the first step. Now, at this point, we can apply the indices rule that says that m to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by n. So over here, we can write this expression as x 2 over 3 times half. Okay, so I can simplify this. I get 1 and 1. So this will give me x, alright, and put a bracket here. So x to the power of 1 over 3. Okay, now here you have x multiplied by x to the power of 1 over x to the power of 1/3. So at this point I can apply the another indices rule that says am multiplied by an is equals to am plus n. Okay, so here we can now write it as to the root of x. So the power of x here is 1 plus 1/3. So this will give me root of x to the power of 4 over 3. And as we saw earlier, a square root is equivalent to the power of half. So this will be x 4 over 3 times half. And I can simplify this to 2 and 1. So the final answer here will be x to the power of 2/3. Alright, so I can simplify the original expression here. And the final answer is x to the power of 2 over 3. Thank you. Bye.